Senator Ron Wyden's new CAHOOTS Act is named after Eugene's crisis intervention service. It's a model he's hoping to spread across the country. And
KAHOOTS 9 News reporter Chris Lewinberg shows us why Wyden hopes the CAHOOTS model could be a critical element of law enforcement reform.
Crystal says she was at the Eugene Farmers Market when her friend came to her in crisis.
He said, "I'm feeling really suicidal." I said, "Well, what do you want me to do?" He says, "Call CAHOOTS."
As always, 2 CAHOOTS members arrived, a medic and a trained crisis intervention worker.
And they came and sat down in a circle around us.
Crystal had some concerns about how the team handled conflict that arose, but is glad that her friend wound up safe.
He got what he needed, and he's been doing a lot better since then.
She believes that with proper funding and training, the CAHOOTS model could work in other communities.
In Eugene, there has been great coordination and support from both mental health and law enforcement, and it's one of the reasons why I think this can be a natural model.
Senator Ron Wyden says the model saves money and improves public safety, both major goals in his CAHOOTS Act.
If states want teams like the ones that go around in these vans, then the bill would encourage them to start those programs using increased Medicaid funding.
The bill would use federal Medicaid funds to pay states 95% of the program's costs. Whiteberg Clinic says the Medicaid funds are a good fit because crisis intervention can save the program major costs.
I think it's really a recognition of how much of what we're working on here is about public health. You know, how much of the CAHOOTS response is addressing, really profound and system-wide issues.
Director of Consulting Tim Black says the clinic is working with cities across the country who are interested in the model.
We have a really significant opportunity right now to talk about the work that we're doing here in Lane County.
The bill was introduced to the Senate Finance Committee, which can eventually put it before Congress for a vote. Reporting in Eugene, Chris Lewinberg, KAHOOTS 9 News.